HTML, hypertext markup language, is the backbone of every web page. Think of it as the structure or skeleton. It uses various tags to define different elements on a page, like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. For example, a paragraph would be enclosed in and tags. It tells the browser what content to display. CSS, cascading style sheets, is what makes web pages look good. If HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the skin, hair, and clothes. It controls the visual presentation of HTML elements. With CSS, you can define colors, fonts, spacing, layout, and even animations. For instance, you could use CSS to make all your headings blue, change the font of your paragraphs, or arrange your content into columns. In short, HTML provides the content and structure, while CSS provides the style and presentation. They work hand in hand to create the websites we see and interact with every day.